Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fix the Wi-Fi which is not working on your Galaxy S26 series or any Samsung or Android phone. So let's get started. So guys, if it's showing connected but no internet, connected without internet or no internet connections, nothing is loading, don't worry. First thing which you need to do is to make sure you are within the proper range of your router. If you are too far away, the connection might appear connected, but it won't actually work. Next, you can just swipe down the quick access panel and to quickly refresh the Wi-Fi. Just tap on the Wi-Fi button, turn it off, and after 10 to 15 seconds, turn it back on again. And apart from that, you can also try to turning airplane mode on and after a few seconds off again. This quickly refresh all the wireless connections on your phone. Now after that, just restart your phone. And to do that, just press and hold the volume down and the power button simultaneously to open up the power menu. Just tap on restart button and again tap on it to restart the device. Now if it's still not working, now we're going to go to settings, then connections and tap on Wi-Fi. Just select the network you are connected to, tap forget and then just immediately reconnect to the network again. And talking about reconnecting, if you have recently changed your password, make sure you are entering the correct password while reconnecting. And if the Wi-Fi is still not working, try connecting your Galaxy S26 to a hotspot from another device if available to you. If it is connected to that and works properly, but your usual Wi-Fi still does not, the problem is likely with your router. So in that case, you just go ahead and restart your router once and try again. If everything seems fine, but the Wi-Fi still isn't working, just go ahead to setting, scroll down to general management and then tap on reset. From here, you're going to select reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. So once the network settings are reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection once again. And if there is no hardware problem with your router, as I have told you, or your Galaxy S26, which I hope not, this will establish a proper connection without interruption. So guys, these are some tips and tricks to connect your Wi-Fi if it is not working. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.